Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, instead of showing a boring error page, you can design a custom 404 page in Webflow. So, in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step and in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure you open your device. Go ahead, make sure also you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for webflow.com, tap on this link, then go and use your email address and password, basically your account, to log in. So we can open the Webflow or basically the editor. As for now, we're gonna go to open the designer. We're gonna tap on open in Webflow. So we're gonna wait until it is basically fully downloaded or uploaded. Here we go. Now we're gonna go to the pages panel, basically this pages. Now open the 404 page. You should see page 404 page. Page not found. The page you are basically looking for doesn't exist or has been moved. Go back to safety. Now it's time to design your own page. You can basically change whatever you want. Come here in style. You can even hide it, block. You can basically change the colors, the sizes, positioning, everything you want to. You can even add text, buttons, images, or even links back to your home page like mine. Then add a call to action using a button like go back to home or go back to safety like this one. Then preview your page, checking how it looks on desktop and on mobile. So we have the desktop view, you can go back to mobile, this is the mobile view. We can even see the tablet view, and this is the desktop view. After being fully done, you're gonna go here and tap on publish to publish your own website. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.